वाज दिस नॉट अ पेनल्टी? एटलेटिको मैड्रिड वर्सेस आर्सेनल चैंपियंस लीग सेमीफाइनल 2 के लेग 1 के 79th मिनट में हमें एक पेनल्टी डिसीजन देखने मिला रेफरी की तरफ से, जहाँ पे एबेरेची एजे केम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द स्लोवाकियन डिफेंडर डेविड हांको, एंड आफ्टर a quick check from VAR it was reviewed by the on-field umpire when he decided to ultimately overturn the decision. Now looking at it live, looking at the replays, every possible angle, मुझे लगा है कि ये पेनल्टी है. Look at from the perspective of the referee. अगर ये सेम फाउल, ये सेम सिचुएशन पिच पे कहीं भी और होती है, you are at least giving a free kick, no matter how soft it is. The official statement by the UEFA Champions League referee committee is that कि एबेरेची एजे का जो लेफ्ट लेग है, which wasn't in contact with the ball, leaned in towards Hanko, the defender, and basically the incident was apparently initiated by the attacker himself. अब one of the reasons I also think कि ये इतना बड़ा chaos का टॉपिक बन चुका है क्योंकि it was a low scoring match, and the reason why I say this is referee के decision discrepancy हमने कल भी देखी थी in yesterday's 5-4 showdown between PSG and Bayern. अल्फोंसो डेविस के बॉडी पे लग के फिर बॉल उसके हाथ पे लगी थी, which was given a handball against him where Ousmane Dembele scored from the spot, and we saw something similar when the Ben White penalty against Arsenal was given, जहाँ पे बंदे के शिन पे बॉल लग के फिर हाथ पे लगी थी. क्योंकि देखो पूरा मैच हमें बोरिंग लगा वो तो पक्का है. We went from football heritage to football switch within 24 hours. अब उसमें if this type of incidents happen, so it can and most probably will be counted as a blunder from the referee committee. क्योंकि आर्सेनल के पास एक क्लियर लीड होती घर जाने के पहले. What do you guys think about the incident? मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ, and do let me know who you think is qualifying for the Champions League finals.